Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in previous video we have solved one problem related to the diagonal scale. In continuation with that, let's solve another problem of diagonal scale. So problem statement says construct a diagonal scale of RF 1 by 3125, right? So RF is already given 1 by 3125 to read up to 0.5 kilometers and to read meters on it. So maximum distance to be measured is 0.5 kilometer. So if we convert it into meter, it will give us 500 meters. So maximum distance to be measured is 500 meters. Show a length of 394 meter, 77 meters and 9 meters on it, right? So next step is find out the length of scale. So length of scale is equivalent to RF into maximum distance to be measured. So if we simplify this term, we will get our length of scale as a 160 millimeter, right? So let's draw the rectangle having the length 160 millimeter and height is equivalent to 50 millimeter. So this is my 160 millimeter length and 50 millimeter height. Now maximum distance to be measured is a 500 meter. So if I make a 5 division of 100 meters, then I can measure 500 meter, isn't it? So let's divide this 160 millimeter length into 5 equal parts. So 160 divided by 5, so that will give us 32 millimeter each, right? So using scale, let's divide this 160 millimeter into 5 equal parts. Put 0 at the end of the first main division and from right hand side mark 100, 200, 300 and 400. So this is also equivalent to 100. So total we can measure 500 meter maximum distance, right? Put meters over here. Now on the left hand side of the 0 there is also meter, but now here the meters are in the range of 10, 20, 30. So we will divide this length into 10 equal parts. So each part will give us a meter equivalent to 10 meter, isn't it? So since this one division distance is equivalent to 32 millimeter, we can not divide it directly using scale. So we have to use that method, right? So using that method we can divide this length into 10 equal parts. I hope you already know this method. Now draw the diagonal line. So same points, this 1 to 10 points, we can mark it over here and join 0 with 1, then 1 with 2. That way we have to draw the diagonal line. So these are my diagonal line. Since this height is a 50 millimeter, divide it into 10 equal parts. Each part will be of 5 millimeters and draw a horizontal line throughout this scale. So this way we can draw using roller scale, right? So these are my complete scale. Now we have to do the numbering. Let's do the numbering 1 to 10. And this is also in meter because we are dividing 10 meters over here, isn't it? 10 meters into 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. So this is my complete scale. Also write it down the RF below the scale. Now I have to show this 394 meters. So 300 is over here, 90. So for 90 move up to this 80 and 90. So this is 390 and 4. For a 4 I have to move diagonally up to 4. So this is my 94. So this distance indicate 394 meter. Similar with 77 meter. So this is 0. This indicates 70 meter. And for a 77 I have to move up to this 7. So this is my 77 meter and 9 meters on it. So that is over here 0 to 9. So that way we can represent this measurement. Now here is a question for you. Represent 209 meters on it. 209 meters on this diagonal scale. If you know the answer, you can comment in the comment section. And if you want to view such a more content, do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.